This is Microwave Antics, Episode 1, first and last of this one-part series.
Will the Christmas light bulbs light in the microwave?
Or blow up. Either way, it's cool.
You guys ready?
And do not worry, we have taken precautions. We have our...
You do realize that there's metal bases on those things.
We have our safety barricade.
That's the best part. You want your safety glasses?
And we do not have safety glasses, but we've taken partial precaution.
Give me my shades.
So, yeah, kids, don't try this at home.
What should I set it for? 2 minutes?
Sure.
Go for it.
That was 3. Oh God.
Did I miss it?
Yeah. Yeah, you did.
Look at that. Aw, cool. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, but the last one like popped like popcorn.
Oh, get back.
That's awesome. They do like.
All right. Wait.
Because
are we gonna do more?
Yeah.
What else are we gonna do? All right. Pause. We'll be back, kids. Bulbs.
Oh, whatever.
All right,
Either way,
what else are we doing?
we can edit
Come back.
with our mad editing skills. That's awesome. The blue one.
That's pretty darn cool.
You can smell it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna pause and come back.
Episode 2, never mind. This is episode 2 of Microwave Antics. Christmas lights again.
That's so cool.
Oh, it doesn't catch much. No, really, it doesn't. Ah, there it is. Starting to smoke. Pop. Rice Krispies. Still going. Got a nice red.
Red.
Sort of pinky.
Why is it going now? Whatever was in there for safety, I think, is gone.
Dead mouse. Maybe Cam whacked it out of it.
Unplug it.
Why is it getting too?
Yeah, unplug it. Stand back for a second. Alright. Money's gonna take away from the end.
No, it'll make it like intense, like fireworks make.
What does the money do?
Alright, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Been on this whole time.
Egg. Plug it in. You ready?
Yep.
Clean it up, man. Wait for it. Listen for it. I just hear it wobbling around in
Yeah.
there. There's the egg. Probably can't see that on the camera, can you?
A little bit, not really.
Comes around. No. If it wasn't hard boiled, it probably would have exploded by now.
Oh yeah. Will it still explode?
I don't know. I
There's the
don't
egg.
see why it wouldn't, as long as it wasn't cracked. Cameron just wants to throw Italy at it. Italy egg.
Italy egg. Oh God!
Yeah, baby!
Yeah! Should I? Got it. Maybe it is a series or whatever. Thermometer. Dead thermometer. Can't. There it is. Gotta go lower, lower, up. Yeah. They get the idea.
Don't peel that off, dude.
What is it?
It's my seal.
Oh, it's the bees. You gotta keep. Don't toy. There's probably a bee's nest in there.
All right, we ready? Oh. Look at that.
Oh, you can't see it on the camera.
No?
No.
That's a bummer.
Yeah. Gotta tilt it down or something.
Oh,
You can see the smoke. Oh man. Oh, that smells kind of nice actually. Ah, now it smells like fireworks.
You know what it was? It was the metal tip. Oh, it's on fire. Yeah.
I got it. What was that gonna do?
It's already dead. It's not like you're killing it. Die.
Yep.
Yeah. So that's why you don't put metal or batteries in a microwave, kids.